All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Stephen Mullowney, the CEO of TRX Gold Corp. And Stephen, it's good to have you back again. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing okay, Steve. A little bit under the weather today, but otherwise pretty good.
Well, good is what your numbers are, because you're releasing your fourth quarter and year-end results. And just before we get into those numbers, I just want to ask you about this past year, because I know it was a fairly significant year for the company. You did a lot of things that really set you up for, I guess, what we're going to see next year. Is that fair to say, Stephen?
Yeah, that's completely fair to say. We had two expansions to our processing plant. We're now running at 1,000 tons per day. That sets us up well for the exploration program next year. And we also did over 22,000 meters of drilling last year. So a lot of things, a lot of work, and now we're set up to become a self-funding company.
Yeah, let's talk about the year-end results and your fourth quarter. You exceeded your guidance, which I think is obviously a big positive going forward.
Yeah, we exceeded our guidance, and that is the result of the great work that's done by the team underground. The plant has been performing, above expectations. Recovery rates have been good, so a lot of metrics moving in the right direction.
Yeah. How about cleaning up the balance sheet? I know that was a big part of this past year as well. And as you mentioned, you're going to be self-funding it next year, but cleaning up a lot of those things that you had to take care of really added to that as well.
Yeah, look, since I joined it just over 2 years ago now, it was 2 years, December 1st. That's been an ongoing theme of cleaning up the balance sheet and notes to the balance sheet. And that continued throughout the last year. And right now we got an extremely clean balance sheet with no debt, and a good working capital number, and over $8.5 million of cash in the balance sheet and growing. Yeah.
Let's talk about next year. What can people expect?
So over the next year, you can expect the guidance that we put in the market was 20 to 25,000 ounces at a cash cost of $750 to $850 an ounce. And that will be used to fund exploration programs. So what you can expect over the next year will be results on Anfield, the drill bit's currently there, results on Buck Reef South. We'll have the infill program coming out. We'll also have what our met holes look like. So a lot of exploration results in the next year, as well as we're looking and evaluating potential doubling, up to a doubling of the existing plant through the purchase of a new ball mill. We're in the early stages of looking at that and deciding whether to go ahead with that or not. And that would be the same as what we currently did this year, which are very quick, cost-effective expansion of that operation.
Yeah, it means a lot though when you get it done. That's for sure, as you can see.
Yeah.
Stephen, thanks very much. Congratulations on this past year, and we look forward to talking again very soon.
Yeah, thanks, Steve. Have a great day.
All right, there's Stephen Mullowney, the CEO of TRX Gold Corp.